Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a video with FlexClip 2.0 version. Start creating by templates, choose a video category, sort by time or popularity. Hop over to any ready-made templates that interest you, preview, then customize. Firstly, add a new storyboard, then drag it to wherever you want. Select the background color or look for an animated background template in the left panel and trim it to perfectly fit the video length. You can also find stock videos and photos in FlexClip's media library. Enter the keyword to search a stock video from over 1 million stock assets. Once the video is selected, click the plus button to add it to the new storyboard. Scroll down the slider in a text editing panel. Choose a text style you like. Next, use the toolbar to customize the professionally made fonts. Change to any color imaginable and resize it to fit your unique style. Then type in your message. Don't forget to use an overlay effect to make your video special. Activate the transition between two storyboards. Select the style of your transition. Preview the effect before applying it. Then enjoy the seamless video transition. Captivate more viewers with animated elements in your video. Select from hundreds of dynamic widgets and position the object in the video. Resize it and customize color. And finally, animate the object the way you want. Find the perfect music from over 100,000 royalty-free music and sound effects in FlexClip's music library. It couldn't be easier. Finally, press export to download your video in high definition. Enter the video name and export in the blink of an eye. Thank you for watching amazing videos made easy with FlexClip.